Hey there YouTube, it's Darren. We're going to fix a sill on the RV toilet today, and I'm going to show you what not to do because this is my second fix, because the first one I screwed up, and I'm going to show you what I did. So this is what it looks like once you get the toilet off, and I stuffed some toilet paper in here just to keep the gas from the tank coming up. And I just use a 7/16, it's a bolt with a washer on it. But here's the problem. This is the new ring, right? I just got this one. This was the one I replaced. If you can tell, I had it on there like that. And then when you set the bowl on, it has to go straight down on that. And I pinched it. You can see it kind of rolled up on the back here, and then we were getting some leaking behind there. So when you set that toilet down on this, just go straight down, and you can tell that is I pinched it and it was leaking. So we're going to put the new one in like so, and hopefully the toilet just sets straight down on that. So one thing I'm going to do different this time, last time I set this on the toilet flange and tried to set the toilet on it, and I was just kind of dry fitting it here. I think this is going to work better. You put the gasket on there all at this point, fits perfect. That's what you're trying to get, is that nice seal around there. And then when I get ready to set it down, this is already in place. It's not going to, the thing won't move around like I screwed up last time. So let's see how this works. Okay, here we go. I've got the flange on there, so we're just going to lower it down there, line up those bolts, which is actually the hardest thing to do. Alright folks, so I dropped it down, tightened it up, and yeah, that way's a whole lot easier, putting it on the toilet and then dropping it straight down. The other way I did wasn't obviously the wrong way, putting it on the ground and dropping the toilet on. It didn't work, it leaked. So this is the better way to do it, and sometimes we screw up, sometimes we learn. Don't fix it the way I did the first time, or you'll be redoing it. So I hope this is a informative video. Don't screw up like I did. What can I say? I hate to say it, I screwed up. So guys, I hope you like the channel. I hope you like my videos, and like and subscribe, comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.